dear parents, well-wisher, journalists, beloved junior brother and sisters, dear senior brother and sisters, and my fellow colleagues. I am Ashwin Parajuli from Grade 8 Mesi. I am extremely delighted to be here on the stage to deliver my short English speech on the occasion of 27th annual program and Parents' Day of our school. Without delay, I would like to dive inside my topic. The topic of my speech for today's program is AI in education. Will robots replace teachers? Many industries have been impacted by artificial intelligence, AI at an unprecedented rate. Healthcare is utilizing AI-driven tools to diagnose illness, predict patient outcome, and create personalized treatment plan. In education, ChatGPT, an adaptive learning system, offers instant tutoring along with personalized history research. The use of self-driving cars and AI-optimized traffic management is changing the landscape of transportation, while agriculture, finance, and entertainment are utilizing AI for crop monitoring, fraud detection, or even content creation. The ability to learn pattern, process large amount of data, and automate has made the AI global leader in terms of efficiency, accuracy, or innovation, making it arguably cornerstone of modern technology. Analyzing the end of 21st century, can we say will robot replace teachers? Let's imagine a classroom where robot teaches. It might explain a lesson perfectly, grade paper instantly, or even crack a joke program into its system. But can it notice that I am sad today? Can it inspire me to dream bigger when I fail? Can it celebrate our victory with joy and pleasure as our teacher does? No, because teachers don't just teach, they connect with us, laugh with us, correct us with passions, and believe on us even when we don't believe ourselves. Does this mean AI has no role? Absolutely not. AI is like a superhero sidekick. It can help teachers to create fun quizzes, track our progress, or even translate the lesson for a student who speak different languages. For a student, AI apps can turn boring textbook into interrogative games or help us to revise tricky topic at our own pace. Imagine learning about Pyramid of Egypt through virtual tour or practicing English grammar with chatbot. AI is making learning personalized and accessible. But here is the catch of it. AI is a tool, not a heart. Teacher guide with wisdom bright. AI follows just left and right. Teacher guide with wisdom bright. AI just follow left and right. Hearts that nurture, hands that show. Teachers help us truly grow. Ladies and gentlemen, let me begin with my story. Last week when I was struggling with a math problem at midnight, frustrated, I opened ChatGPT, typed my question, and within a second it gave me step-by-step solution. It even recommended me some videos for better concept. Wow, I thought AI is amazing. But I remember my teacher, Mr. Pandey, who stayed back after the class last month to explain me the same topic. He noticed my confusion, patted my back and said, "Don't stress, let's try again together." That's when I realized AI can solve problems, but teachers can solve something greater than AI. That's our fear. In this special occasion, let's say thank you to all the teachers for their dedication, patience, and hard work. Without teachers, there are no doctor, engineer, pilot, scientist, or even AI developers. Teachers are the heart of education, and no robot can ever replace them. With this all, I would like to depart from here. Thank you.